In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect PayPal to WooCommerce. Let's start right inside your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Find the section labeled Plugins. Hover your mouse over it, and from the options that appear, click on Add Plugin. This is where you can search for and install new features for your site. At the top right of this page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word PayPal, then press enter on your keyboard. WordPress will now search the plugin directory and show you a list of results related to PayPal. From the search results, look for the plugin called WooCommerce PayPal Payments. This is the official PayPal integration for WooCommerce and is the one you want to use. Click on it to see more details about the plugin. On the right-hand side, you'll see a button that says Install or Install Now. Click that, and after a few moments, it should change to an Activate button. Click Activate to turn the plugin on for your website. Once activation is complete, WordPress will redirect you to the list of all your installed plugins. Scroll through this list until you find WooCommerce PayPal Payments. Just below the plugin name, you'll see a link that says Settings. Click on Settings to open the configuration page for this PayPal integration. You'll now be taken into the PayPal setup flow inside WooCommerce. On this screen, click the button that says Activate PayPal Payments. The system will ask you whether you're using a business or a personal PayPal account. Choose the option that matches your PayPal account type, then click Continue at the top right. Next, you'll be asked what kind of products you sell. Virtual products, physical products, subscriptions, or a combination. Select the options that best describe your store, and again, click Continue in the top right. You may also be asked whether you want to accept credit and debit cards in addition to PayPal. Choose Yes or No, depending on your preference. Then click Continue one more time. Finally, click the button labeled Connect to PayPal. A pop-up window will appear. Wait a moment for it to fully load. In this pop-up, you'll be asked to sign into your PayPal account. Enter the email or phone number associated with your PayPal account, then enter your PayPal password and click Log In. Sometimes PayPal will perform a quick security check. If that happens, it will ask where you want to receive a verification code. You might see options like email or text message. Choose the method you prefer, wait for the message to arrive, then type the code into the field provided and confirm. In some cases, you might not see this step at all, and that's completely normal. Once everything is connected successfully, you should see a confirmation message saying that you're all set, and possibly a button that says Return to WooCommerce. Click that to go back to your store settings. At this point, PayPal is now linked to your WooCommerce store, and your customers can start using it as a payment option at checkout.